Today we have the newspaper of 8th of January. First news is about Delhi votes on February 5 in assembly polls. GDP growth projected to fall to 4-year low at 6.4%. Earthquake in Tibet kills 126, injured 188. Tremors felt in India and Nepal. Rescue operations continue for 9 trapped coal miners in Assam. Naxal attack. Top CRPF Chhattisgarh Police brass visit blast site in Bijapur. Dal Khalsa oppose Congress Akali Dal request for Sikh honored to Manmohan Singh. Shah set up timeline for phase rollout of criminal laws in UP. Ailing hearts of the Kashmiris need healing touch. Concern over new satellite towns, Kota. This police station housed Sukhdev Bhagat Singh Rajguru in 1920s. Next news is about Ambedkar's statue in Varanasi vandalized. Police file FIR, detain 3. Women actors lodge plaint against Kerala businessman. SC direct TDB to augment security measures at Sabrimala. 6 Maoists to surrender and return to mainstream today. India, US to jointly manufacture interoperable sonar buoys for Navy. CAS at research and development has no relevance if it does not meet timeline. Indian Air Force Chief. We talk about the heavy shortage of aircrafts in Indian Air Force. The aircraft that has been designed LCA Tejas for 1980s and still be in 2025 not have that aircraft. Farmer hold protest march in Tamil Nadu against tungsten project. Bharatpur to aid in nabbing fugitive criminals wherever they hide. Home Minister. Court dismissed plea against judge impeachment motion. SC to hear tomorrow's plea seeking review of same-sex marriage verdict. Ahead of Delhi poll, CEC clarify on electoral rolls. People of Delhi can choose between chaos and stability on voting day. Congress. Assam Chief Minister says state is in talk with center to create a defense corridor. Parvasi Divas to begin today in Odisha. Over 3,000 delegates from 70 nations have arrived in the state. The event will be inaugurated by Modi. Trinidad and Tobago President Christian Carlo Kanglo will be the chief guest of the 18th edition. Inter-Ministerial Committee is needed to strengthen AI governance. Indian AI mission. V. Narayanan, spacecraft and rocket propulsion expert, appointed ISRO chairman. How curiosity-driven research into a worm won 4 Nobels. mRNA molecule that turn off genes expression. This fundamental advance, which won Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruckwin a Nobel Prize in 2024, is another example of unexpected finding arises from curiosity. The latest science on climate change. Globally, forests appear to be struggling. A July 2024 study found that forests overall fall in the year before to absorb as much carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as in the past. The rebounding of Pakistan's Afghan strategy. The return of the Taliban has made Afghanistan a strategic ditch for Pakistan's security establishment. How it is happening, as recently Pakistan launched attack on Afghan Taliban, and the retaliations of Afghan Taliban is consequential for Pakistan. And similarly, the rise of TTP in Pakistan has similar ideology that is the Afghan Taliban. So TTP is against the Pakistan security establishment. This is a dual hurdle and obstacle for Pakistan establishment. The impaired life of the district journalists in India. They play a crucial role as the watchdog in uncovering the abuse of power, inviting the ear of powerful vested interests. Strong setback. The ID blasts in Bijapur are the act of a failing insurgency. Wayward liberals. Justin Trudeau exists come at the end of a period of misguided politics. More flexible but also great challenges. The accelerated and extended degree programs herald a transformative shift in India's education but also raise many questions. Maoist strongholds are sinking but deadly threat persists. With 9 security personnel killed in the first week of 2025, the toll has already spread a third of last year total. Why is there a drop in school enrollment? Ministry of Education's officials in UDISC Plus report have given a disclaimer that the UDISC report of 2022 and 2023 and 2023-4 are not strictly comparable to previous year report because of change in methodology of data collection. Why the location of China's earthquake matter? What is a trend? Was China's construction of the world's largest hydroelectric power dam near the area where the 7.1 quake happened? What is the significance of location? Microsoft projected investment in AI could expand in India. $3 billion that Microsoft will invest. The number of people reportedly executed in Iran is 901. December auto sale skid 12%. Duty cut on smartphone parties to hit local firm result in no job losses. GTRI. India fuel demand grew by 2.1% in December. Goldman Sachs unit Every Stone sell Omega stakes. Microsoft unveiled $3 billion outlay plan for India to boost AI cloud infrastructure. New shipbuilding facility cargo terminal for Kandla port with 57 crores outlay. Chinese exports push Nippon Steel to seek grow in US and India. Sunak China flag difficulty making September dollar bond payment. Ukrainian firm in emerging Europe eyes westward expansion. Mediator Qatar confirmed technical meeting on Gaza truce going on. New hypersonic missile will deter rivals, say North Korean leader. US lawmaker certified Trump win 4 years after the Capitol riot. Temblor hit mountain train. Desanke to visit China next week. India terms its tie with Sri Lanka buoyant. Trump refused to roll out military actions against Greenland and Panama Canal. French far-right leader Jean-Marie Le Pen died at the age of 96. Bangladesh revoke ousted PM Sheikh Hasina's passport. Tension mount in Venezuela ahead of Maduro presidential swearing-in. Eyeing green legacy, Biden declared new national monuments. Over 5,600 killed in last year in Haiti gang violence, say UN. They feel violence now. They are not existent for Burkina Faso government. That's from my side. Jain.